Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little bit since I made a video, and first I want to apologize to everybody for not giving you an update of what's been going on. I think 2020 was just a very difficult year for all of us. Also, I want to thank everybody who reached out to me, just making sure everything was okay and wanting to know what the status was of the projects. Some even asked if I had even quit YouTube. I have not. So I want to thank each and every one of you that did that, and we haven't quit. We're going to still be working on these Camaro projects. So for me, things got crazy in 2019 around September. I lost a really good friend of mine that I had worked with for the last 20 years. And I'm just going to be honest with you guys, it took the wind out of my sail. I mean, after that, I didn't feel like doing anything. And looking back, I'm not even sure how I made it through all that. 2020 was a very difficult year for each one of us. I know none of us is the same after that year, and I'm hoping 2021 is better. Most of you knew that I had started a home remodeling project, and that was what I was devoting a lot of my time to. You know, nothing's ever easy with me. This was a 3-phase remodeling project. Phase 1 was to get all my Camaro parts out here in the garage. So late July 2019, August 2019, I started building these shelves so that I could get the Camaro parts out of my basement. That was phase 1 of my home remodeling project, and as you can see here, I pretty much got everything out here. There's a couple more boxes that need to come out. And I've been saving up some boxes there just so I can, you know, get a little bit better organized out here. This is kind of a mess right now, but just is what it is. Phase 2 was actually getting the bathroom downstairs basically workable so we would have something to use. It was just kind of roughed in when we bought the house, and once I got to working on it, where it had set for so long, everything just needed to be replaced in it. And then finally I got into wiring the new bathroom. A lot of you know that my background is in electrical, and I'll say this, I am amazed at how much wiring that you can put in a 5x8 bathroom. So once we got all that done, I was just burnt out with it, and I was ready to get back out here to the garage. I told my wife, I said, we got to get us some help. So that's what we did. I hired me an independent contractor. He come in and took it over from that point. I still did quite a bit of overseeing the project, I guess you could say. I did the electrical, all the stain work, and the painting work. So all that was up to me. My wife, she picked the colors out. She picked everything she wanted in there out. She was kind of the designer of the whole deal. So that's pretty much how that went. And I've got some footage here that I took with my cell phone, and I'm going to show you how it turned out. There's no before pictures on this because if I put that on there, my wife would kill me because it was 1970s bathroom all the way. Floor heat that I haven't tried out yet, but everything checks out. We've got heat lamps on a timer. I've got a night light. Also, this pretty cool switch has 4 presets for a night light, and it's also dusk to dawn with a photo cell in it, so it's not on it during the day. We've got an exhaust fan on a timer and our main vanity light. There's the new sink. I really like this. This is the easy close. Bathroom hanger with a shelf. We've got ceramic tile that looks like marble. We've got 2 niches along with a chrome towel rod in the back. We also have thermostatic valve for the shower with a rain shower and a massage wand. Got a dual curtain rod. And my favorite part is the toilet paper dispenser with the shelf. That way you can always keep track of your favorite YouTube videos. The floor is a porcelain tile that's made to look like wood. So here's a look at the door. 3 coats of stain and also 3 coats of polyurethane. It's stained on one side, and then it's got the painted white on the back side. Got a real nice medicine cabinet built into the wall here. Mirrors on both sides. So I've been out here in the garage for a week or so now, and I'm going to tell you something. It's probably one of the best deals here at Harbor Freight, these U.S. General tool carts. It's just amazing. And the plan for this tool cart is just for sockets and wrenches and just hand tools, and it's of course mobile. I have put swivel casters all the way around it. It comes with 2 swivel casters and 2 straight casters, but it's just going to be sockets, ratchets, screwdrivers, wrenches, and hand tools like that. I did opt for the little side tray, and I opted for the matching power strip with the USB charger. And while I was in there, I picked up one of these lights, and I liked it so good that I went back and got me another one. Now these are, I know a lot of you guys have seen these. These are rechargeable, uses a USB charger. They've got basically 3 modes: a bright, kind of a mid-level, and then a flashlight. But I thought that'd be cool for welding, because you could basically put it wherever you wanted it, and it's magnetic base as well. So like I said, I liked that so good I went back and got another one. So I'm going to be setting this up. This is going to be kind of a goal for 2021, is to get some of my hand tools organized, and this will be movable, so I'll be able to have it wherever I'm working at. For the most part, it's going to be over here with the other boxes, and thinking about moving the snow blower up and just having it right here for now. This box here is a snap-on box, and I love the quality of it. But that Harbor Freight box, it has impressed me. One of the other projects that I'm wanting to finish up is I've got a neon sign that goes up there on that basically gable. And there's a plug up there that is controlled, this light switch right here. This is basically the neon. I've already tested it. It does work. And I got a power supply here for it a while back. My mother got me that for, I think she got it for my birthday a year or so ago. And I thought, man, it's time to get this thing up and enjoy it. So I've ordered some parts. I'm going to build a frame here. I'm also going to put a receptacle in the bottom of it. And that way I can plug that clock into the bottom. And this frame will be wooden. I'm going to glue black plexiglass on it. And then that Chevy neon sign will go on top of that. So it ought to be a pretty fun project. So right here's another project that I'm wanting to finish up this year. This is actually a double R sign that I had Gary Ramsey cut out for me. And I've been slowly getting it put together. And it's in epoxy right now, but it's all got to be scuffed, and then we'll be ready for some paint. I've also got another one of these that's a lot larger, and I want to go ahead and finish it as well. So as you can see, trying to wrap up some old projects that's been laying around the workshop for some time. And what about the Camaro? Well, we'll finish the doors, and then we're going to be right on the 72 Camaro. We'll dive into the metal work pretty heavily on it. I want to get that car braced up. I've got the new floor for it, and you know, I don't really want to put a floor in that car, but it's just one of those things that It's just messed up enough that if I don't, I will regret it. It needs floor pans in the very back under the rear seat. The metal is really weak under there, and it also needs a pan put in at the driver's side. Not to mention the rippling of it, where at some point in time that car's been in a ditch. So I just went ahead and bought a full floor for it. And while we're in there, that'll give us a chance to inspect the rockers, also the torque boxes. There's a rear frame rail that's on the lower portion that needs to be fixed, and I've got a replacement part for that. And from there I want to go up into the firewall and into the cowl. The firewall does have to be changed because of the damage, but that firewall has a buckle in it, and it's pretty mangled. So like I said, my main goal is to get back on that 72, and I want to get as much metal work as I can this year completed. One other thing that I did accomplish in 2020 that was kind of behind the scenes was I built a new PC. It was basically designed for video editing, and it has a lot of storage. My old computer was just giving me a fit, and I'm in the process of cleaning it out as well. But that new computer is going to help the channel out quite a bit, hopefully help productivity as well. So I'll throw a picture right here and let you see a few pictures of what we built. So guys, 2020, we didn't accomplish much as far as here in the garage and with the cars, but I hope to turn that around in 2021. I hope to spend a lot more time out in this garage working on these cars. On a sad note, going into 2021, a few weeks before Christmas, I did say goodbye to my little buddy Dieter. Most of you remember him from the channel. He was my little miniature schnauzer. He was 14 and a half years old. He's the best dog I ever had, and I miss him so much. And I'm going to play some clips here of when I first started this channel with some of the clips I have of Dieter, and it was right around Christmas time, so I thought I'd include it in this video. He was such a big part of our family, and it's so different in the house now with him gone. My wife and I have put down a deposit on another miniature schnauzer. He was born a couple of weeks ago, and I don't think we'll get him until end of February, beginning of March, but we're pretty excited about it. A little nervous too, because we've never really had a puppy. Dieter was given to us when he was 4.5 years old, and he was already trained and just such a good dog. I could carry on a conversation with him, and you'll see that in the clip. I'd tell him to get his baby, and he knew exactly what I was saying. Or I'd ask him if he wanted water. He would run to the kitchen. If I said, "You want to go outside?" he would run to the door. If I asked him if somebody was here, he would go look. And I mean, it just gonna miss him so much. But we're looking forward to this new pup. We've already named him. My wife named him Cletus from the Dukes of Hazzard. So we're gonna call him Cletus, and I'll introduce you to him once we get him. Pretty excited about it. So guys, I hope you all had a great New Year's, and I'm excited about 2021. I'm excited about getting this channel started back. What's up, D? Let's say hi to YouTube. Give me that baby. Give me that baby, D. Give me that baby. I'm gonna get that baby. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Give me that baby. Give me that baby. Oh, I got this baby. What's going on, Dieter? Say hi to YouTube. Tell YouTube Merry Christmas. Show them how to do it, dear.